Everybody.
Good morning.
Again, we started at Fañabé because unfortunately we have to walk by Fañabé Beach every day, and it's such a horrible view, isn't it?
It's terrible.
Yeah, we love it. We love it. Not sure where we're going to end up today, but we're going to look for breakfast. What sort of breakfast? We're not after a bit of a fry up, are we? Or an English...
We don't really know this morning, do we? We had a Chinese last night, and I think we overdid it, so we're hungry this morning, but we don't know how much hungry we are.
Yeah, we've had an English breakfast a few times so far. We're going to try something different. Might be an omelette, might be pancakes,
something on toast.
Something on toast. We don't know yet.
Fine, thank you.
We're heading towards Pinta Beach, I think, which is another one of our local haunts. So when we decided what we're going to have and where we're going to eat it, we'll get back to you. So catch you in a bit, guys. Well, don't forget to like and subscribe, hit the notifications. Your bit.
Give us a thumbs up and a hype.
There you go. Happy now?
Yeah, we can actually say hype now.
Catch you in a
Still
bit,
don't know
guys.
what it is, but...
Catch you in a bit, guys. So we come to El Puerto, which is on the Pinta Beach, and they do lots of different things. Got your normal breakfasts. We're looking at a sandwich or an omelette, I think, today. There's your omelettes there, look, beautiful. Nice price as well. Oops. And then they've got your tapas. But we're not after tapas this time in the morning, are we? You reckon?
Oh. Your camera don't want to face anywhere, does it, this morning?
No, it's got mind of its own.
Yeah, no, it's just something different. We don't want a lot. So, yeah, a lot on this menu. So. Bacon, egg and
So what have we ordered, Dina?
I ordered a toasted with bacon, egg and salad. And I've had a bacon focaccia. And we've had extra hash browns.
I nearly
He
made
tells me what to say, look, and then he carries on anyway.
I nearly made a hash of that. I've always loved my dad jokes. Hashy browns. We're gonna burst a yolk. You like them yolks well done, don't you?
Yeah. Yeah, that's a good yolk for me.
We're ready, guys. Oops. I'm not going to get that down in my beard, am I? Nice, isn't it? Well presented.
Yeah, lovely. It's a focaccia bad instead of a cob.
Or a pancake.
Or a roll.
But there have always been hash browns, and there's always been HB sauce. That was at El Puerto. I don't know if you can see the sign. The sign's quite hidden, isn't it?
Yeah, it is.
Oh, lovely, wasn't it?
Yeah,
There then. Let's have you. Got a bit of wind, so I'm going to have to speak up. That was 25 euros. 25 euros, that's how much? Bloody nice breakfast, 25 euros. No, she was interested.
Yeah.
How much? See, that was 25 euros, guys. For a lovely breakfast. Something slightly different.
Yeah. I had mine off focaccia, so that was different, and it was lovely.
The hash browns were perfect. Just paid extra for the hash browns, didn't we?
Not greasy at all, was it?
No, we had some at, where do we have some Greg's wanted the other day?
Oh, they were awful.
I mean, yeah, we'd go out and eat a lot. that was a thingy. It wasn't one of those to-go bags, was it?
No.
No, it was a breakfast,
No,
but they're a bit soggy because of the thing, but they were like Crispy on the
Yeah,
outside,
they were
soft on the inside, just like an armadillo.
Fluffy and nice.
So yeah, that was a success.
Yeah, definitely.
I'd give that a good 8 out of 10.
I'd give it 9. 9, it was lovely.
So on average, 8, 9, 8.5 out of 10. Give it a go, guys. And you can't really, it's El Puerto, but you can't see the sign. But it's next to, it's in between El Ferry and
Intercontinental.
Intercontinental's the one in between there. I mean, you probably get much the same with fried breakfast, so it's nice to have something different. So that's this vlog, breakfast vlog, over and out.
Yeah,
So thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, notifications,
give us some hype and a thumbs up.
and a thumbs up, and we'll leave you with that.